And our ancestors, for as long as there's been recorded history, have looked at the night sky and pondered the nature of our existence. And we're no exception, our generation. The only difficulty is that the night sky now is blocked by the glare of city lights. And so astronomers go to these very remote mountaintops to view and to study the cosmos. So telescopes are a window to the cosmos. It's no exaggeration to say that the Southern Hemisphere is going to be the future of astronomy for the 21st century.
Well, in 2004 we integrated ticketing in southeast Queensland, so we introduced a paper ticket that allowed you to travel across all the 3 modes in southeast Queensland, so bus, train and ferry, and the second stage of integrated ticketing is the introduction of a smart card, and the smart card will enable people to store value, so to put value on the card, and then to use the card for traveling around the system.
At dawn, when you have trouble getting out of bed, tell yourself, I have to go to work as a human being. What do I have to complain of? If I'm going to do what I was born for, the things I was brought into the world to do, or is this what I was created for? To huddle under the blankets and stay warm? But it's nicer here. So you were born to feel nice? Instead of doing things and experiencing them? Don't you see the plants, the birds, the ants, the spiders, and the bees going about their individual tasks? Putting the world in order as best they can? And you're not willing to do your job as a human being? Why aren't you running to do what your nature demands?
Along the way we have built unashamedly beautiful buildings, 2 of which have won and another was runner-up in the prestigious United Nations World Habitat Award, the first time an Australian building has received that international honour. We rely on older concepts of Australian architecture that are heavily influenced by the bush. All residents have private verandas which allow them to socialise outdoors and also creates some defensible space between their bedrooms and public areas. We use a lot of natural and soft materials to build beautiful landscape gardens.
The German automaker giant Mercedes-Benz has voluntarily recalled 3 million brand diesel engine in different parts of the world to improve their emissions. On last Tuesday, the board debate over the future of diesel vehicle. The big giant rival Volkswagen admitted that they equipped the vehicle with illegal software that meant they pass emission test, which is regulated by the government. The emission increases with everyday driving in some part of the world or cities and diesel vehicle because of concerns about the increasing level of nitrogen oxide smoke emitted by diesel vehicles.